As your iPhone gets older, the battery will naturally start to last a little bit less long. And you can actually keep track of how your battery is doing at any point by jumping into the Settings app and then scrolling down to where it says Battery. From here you get a graph of how it's been charged recently, and below that you get the apps that are using most battery in any given day. And whilst this is all very interesting information, if you go back up the top of the screen and then tap onto Battery Health, here you'll find how your battery is doing inside your phone. You'll see your maximum charge capacity. Mine is currently 100% because it's quite a new phone, but this number will gradually get lower as your phone goes through more charging cycles. Anything below about 80%, and it's probably worth getting that battery replaced, because you'll probably find it's not holding charge very well anymore. You've also at the top there got that battery health summary. Mine is normal, but if your one needs changing, or if your battery is a cause for concern, it will tell you there as well. And finally on this screen I've got the charge cycle count, how many times the battery has run down completely and been recharged. Again, that's a useful number to know because it will show how old your battery is. Particularly if you're buying a second-hand iPhone, it's a good thing to check. But if you're watching this video, you probably want to look after the battery on your phone and keep it going for as long as you can. So if we go back to that main battery health screen, we have the charging optimization modes, and there are 3 different options to choose from. Firstly, you can have none at all, in which case your phone will just charge whenever you plug it in. Or you can have optimized charging, where your iPhone will gradually learn how you like to charge your phone, and it will wait until you need it to be fully charged. So for example, overnight it will only start charging it an hour before your alarm goes off. And then finally there's an 80% limit option, which means that your battery will never charge beyond 80%, thereby keeping the battery life going for a little bit longer. I personally like using optimized mode, and I've always found that's worked well for me and my habits, but you can obviously choose what best suits you here. And if you want some more tips to get the most out of your iPhone, please do subscribe to my channel down below.